Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I stretch my natural hair. So my hair is freshly washed and detangled. I like to detangle in the shower. So the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair off into 4 sections. Okay, now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to take my DIY hair oil and put that all throughout my scalp. And then I'm just going to massage it in there. Okay, now that I worked the oil all through my hair, I'm going to take the Camille Rose Lavender collection, and this is their shaken hair spritzer. So I'm just going to take this and spritz it all over the section. And I love this. I try not to spray too much because you definitely can spray too much of this stuff on your hair. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be using is again from the Lavender collection, and this is the whipped cream leave-in. That's how it looks. So my hair does not like a lot of products, so I try to limit the amount of products that I put in it because it'll sit on top of my strands. It won't penetrate my strands. So these 2 products work really well. They smell so good and they don't irritate my skin. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of my DIY oil and put some of it on my ends. Okay, so when I stretch my hair, I like to do French braids and not plaits because my hair tangles and bunches up at the root. So the reason why I do French braids is because it stretches out my roots and it doesn't cause my roots to be so tangled up and matted. So I'm just going to take this section of my hair and then begin to French braid. I have on long nails, you guys, so it might not come out perfect. So I'm all done braiding my hair, and this is how my braids look. They are not perfect because of these nails. The main thing is just stretching out your roots and stretching out your ends. So now what I'm going to do is take some bobby pins and then I'm going to pin back my braids. They're all bobby pinned up. I'll show you guys the back. I like to just stretch them and bobby pin them just because it helps my hair to be a lot more stretched and give me that perfect blowout look. So I'll come back and show you guys how it turns out. Okay, you guys, so it is the next morning and I've been wearing this little hat on my head just to go out and run errands. So I'm just going to take this off, and one of my braids came out, and so now I'm just going to take out all the bobby pins. So now I'm just going to take my oil, so now I'm just going to put that through my hair strands. As you guys can see, it is really stretched out and mostly just elongated, so that when I'm ready to do a certain style, it won't be shrunken up, it'll be elongated. So I'm just gonna go ahead, no, actually I'm just gonna do it section by section. So I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and kind of comb it out. You don't have to do this step, actually you can actually skip this step, but if you want like a blowout look, then you can just take a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb and brush it out. But just know, like, if you do decide to do this step, it's more manipulation to your hair, and brushing and combing your hair while it's dry can cause some breakage. So this is not something that you would do on a regular basis. It's probably just something that you would do if you're looking for to get that blowout look. And this is how the first section is looking. So I'm just going to put a clip on this end and then continue to the back section and pretty much repeat the same steps. I want to mention that once you're taking down the sections, to make sure you fully finger detangle, because your hair is in braids, so it is kind of tangled. So before you go in with your paddle brush or your wide tooth comb, make sure you really finger detangle out all those tangles first and then brush or comb. Second thing is that now if you want straight hair, like if you want all these crinkles out, you can take a blow dryer like this. This is the Conair 1875 styler, and it has this comb attachment and it has a cool setting. So if you don't want to use any heat at all, you can turn this on low and then use the cool setting to get out these crinkly pieces in your hair. I'm not going to do that just because my ultimate purpose of doing this was to get flat roots. As you guys can see, my roots are flat, and that's the whole reason why I like to do these, is because as you guys seen when I first started the video, my roots were like puffy. That's because I have really coily hair, so my roots can kind of get tangled and matted. So that's why I like to do my hair like this, so that my roots are flat. So this is what I mean. As you guys can see, my roots are really flat. So yep, that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.